Hi family, in this video I will be showing you how to do these small knotless braids and how to make them look full to the head. And if you guys have not already done so, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And please let me know what y'all think. If you have any comments or concern, let me know.
Cause they don't wanna be you, but they can't do it like you do. You already know they might be an episode, but baby you the show, yeah. Look, I understand why they mad, cause baby you the best and you ain't even gotta brag. You always come in first and they can't even finish last. They so far behind they couldn't catch up with your past. Look, okay, them haters looking real tight, cause you the one they wanna be like. No Instagram glam, now she bad in real life. Baby so fly, she forgot what the land feel like. You got a mad. You got your money, you in your bag. Ain't got no time for no drama, you too established. You see them others be capping, but you the baddest. You ain't just bad, girl, you bad. You ain't just bad, girl, you bad. Girl, you bad. You ain't just bad, girl, you bad. Okay, now baby, you the baddest. Day or night like Gladys. Your silhouette is simply the best. The mother's average. It's crazy how you been established. Cause baby, you be killing, been a savage. Look, you shut it down on any scene. Lead your own regime, more hell to the queen. Addicted to your aura, taking my high like that lean. Cause baby, girl, you dope, got me feeling like a fiend. I think I just need a fix. Bases loaded, knife in, and girl, I just need a hit. I'm on that white, I need your brown, now to mix. We opposite, but we attract bad girl.
And here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It's nice and full and lightweight. If you guys have any comments or any question, please leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely make sure to answer any of your questions. I hope y'all like it. It was fun doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
You ain't just bad, girl, you bad. Girl, you bad. You ain't just bad, girl, you cause they don't wanna be you, but they can't do it like you do.